Hello, and how are you doing? My name is Bartosz. I'm a creator of this project and task manager second version template in Excel. And I would like to describe some of the functionalities and options and abilities you can use this for your home jobs or for entire tasks. Let me just start. So basically, this is a Excel template to manage your tasks, the task you need to do, and this Excel will help you to achieve all the tasks and goals. For example, what you see is the first is the project name. You can call this whatever you need. I call this in this situation new workers. Project deadline. This is your project deadline time date. As you can see, I entered this. You can also choose month and year that the project is using in. Company name. I didn't create any company name. And here you can see last update. And last time this information tells you what time was the last update of this file. And let's go to the task numbers. As you can see, there are task numbers from 1 to 34. Let's say we want to create task. Let's say we use task name range. For example, the task number is 1 and we would like to use task name as, for example, let's say it will be pay the bills. And start date, it's still in work in progress, so some of these functionalities can be used, but mostly is done in something like 70 or 80%, but still I'm working on this. Let's say we want to add start date on 11 December 2023, and end date will be 15th December 2023. Notes. Here you can add description of this task, for example. Excuse me. Okay. Now you can choose status. It's working. It means that you still work on this. Done. It means it's done now, and it's not done. Let's say we use working. It's still under construction and work in progress, so days left, it's not working now. You can do this manually, add days left, for example. You can add 5, but it's still working. Under construction, and I'm still working on this. Priority. Here you can choose high, standard, medium, and low. Let's say use high. Of course, you can choose standard, medium, low. Let's say we would like to use high. Remind me at. Here you choose. Here you can set. It's still under construction, so I won't describe this very carefully. It's almost done, so give me some time and I will update everything. Remind me at. Here you can send remind message, or as whatever you want to call this. It reminds you, for example, if you add remind me at task like 13th December, it will show the message on the 13th December. It will show this message that you need to still work on this, and the end is very near, and the end date is very near, and you need to work on this very fast. It's just an alarm, something like message that reminds you that you need to work on this. Assign it to. Here you can write, for example, Monica. This task is for example, if for someone from your family, or if you use this at job, at work, you can use worker's name here. And the manager, you can also add something like Dorothy. Now, on the left side, you can see task not done, 0, and task done. So maybe we could choose not done. See what happened when I change status? It shows tasks not done. If I change to done, it will show something like this. Task done is the green cell is 1, and it shows this is done. Also, we can go a little lower when there are charts, and for example, if you want to add additional task and you can't find the rows, the cells for this, you need to click a little bit lower. As the button, it's animated button. See what's happening when I see? You don't have to, yeah, see? And now you don't have to scroll up every time you want to ask additional row. Let's say we want to add a new row on the below 34. So let's see. We have new row 35. Let's add additional 36. And here you can add over tasks. 1 second, please. Let's say we want to add another task. Pay, it will called pay money, maybe not Monica, pay Janice car insurance, excuse me, on the 14, 12, 23, and start, and also here we can add notes like pay until 14th excuse me, it's not done. See, tasks not done. This cell below the task not done has changed color. Days left, you can do this manually. Soon I will add new functionality that will do this upfront and without without needs of doing this manually. Let's say we want to add standard, and medium, maybe we would use standard. Remind me at, and Monica, let's say assign it to Tom. John. Yeah, it has changed. And here you can see on the chart task done and not done. We have two tasks. One is pay the bills, and the second is pay Jenny's car insurance. One is done, instead status is set as done, and the second status is set as not done. Here you can check this. This chart is under work, under construction, because as I said, I am testing the remind me add functionality, and it's not done, so I didn't want to put this to use it, but it's almost done and will be updated soon. So this is the overall work. I'm still working on this, and let me know your thoughts, and cheers, have a nice day.